Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we will discuss the different holiday elements available to you within the MySawgrass design tool. When you are creating a holiday design, a helpful feature of our design program is the filtering tool. This tool allows you to sort through the different categories of content so that you find exactly what type of content you need for your holiday project. For example, now that I have chosen the holiday category within the backgrounds tool, it is only showing me the different holiday patterns. If I want to search for something even more specific, I can use the search bar at the top of the screen to further narrow my results. For our example today, I'll type the word Christmas and choose a Christmas background for my project. This same process can be used when searching for holiday-themed material in other areas of the design program. When it comes to the graphics library, there are a variety of different Christmas-themed graphics to choose from. If you are looking for something specific like a present, you can search for that and easily find what you need. Once you find the graphic you like, simply click on the graphic and it will then add the graphic directly into your project. Please also check out the shapes section of the program as there are quite a few holiday-related shapes available that you may want to take advantage of. These shapes are fully customizable and are a great way to personalize and stylize whatever project you are creating. One last section where you can find wonderful holiday content is underneath the Designs tool. The designs are ready-to-use templates that have a variety of different elements already built into the project. You can think of the designs as already completed projects that can be added to your template at any time. Once you select the design you like, it will populate into your project, and then you can make whatever adjustments you need to make. All the individual elements built into these designs are customizable. That makes it easy to take any of these designs and adjust them to fit into your overall project vision. Please take the time to explore the different categories available within the MySawgrass design tool. We are always adding more material, so make sure to check back periodically. That's all for today. See you next time.